Owning a black car is rewarding due to its sleek, glossy appearance, but maintaining the shine and avoiding swirl marks can be challenging. By following a few simple steps, you can keep your car looking like new and maintain a flawless finish. Wash your black car properly to avoid swirl marks. Start by applying a foam coating to the car's surface. Let the foam sit for about 10 minutes to loosen dirt and contaminants. Afterward, rinse the car thoroughly with a pressure washer to remove the foam and any loose dirt. Next, apply another layer of car wash soap using foam cannon to create a thick layer of foam over the car's surface. Now, take a clean microfiber wash mitt and gently rub it over the surface. Be sure to replace the mitt for each section to avoid transferring dirt back onto the paint, which can cause scratches. Never put the dirty mitt back into the wash bucket, as this can contaminate the water and lead to damage. Once you have finished washing, give the car a final rinse with clean water to remove all soap residues. Dry the car completely with a microfiber cloth without directly touching the paint. By following the correct washing method, you will prevent scratches and swirl marks on your black car's paint. After washing, apply a quality car wax or paint sealant. These products create a protective layer over the paint, which not only helps to maintain the car's shine, but also reduces the risk of swirl marks by adding a slick surface that makes washing easier. Megia's Gold Class Carnauba Wax combines a premium carnauba polymer blend to provide strong, long-lasting protection and a brilliant, reflective shine. Its special formula enhances clarity, leaving a deeper gloss and sharp reflections on clear coats and glossy paint types. Try to avoid touching the paint directly with your hands, as oils and dirt can contribute to swirl marks. Make sure any towels or cloths you use to touch the car are clean and soft. Over time, contaminants can stick to the paint. A clay bar helps remove these contaminants, leaving the surface smooth. It should be done every 6 months, or when the paint feels rough to the touch. If your black car already has swirl marks, use a scratch and swirl remover to gently buff out the imperfections. Carfident Black Scratch and Swirl Remover are made for black and dark-colored paints. It helps to remove light scratches, swirls, and marks easily with the included buffer pad. It also restores the gloss and shine, bringing your paint back to its original brilliance. By following these simple tips, you will keep your black car looking great and free of swirl marks.